Hey there over at Home Envy. My name is Marcy Hutton, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you guys can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're most likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? But what I've found is that oftentimes in the world of internet marketing, business owners are far too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that you can do to impact your business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you like what you hear, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you, do it yourself, that works for me too. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, when it comes to content, Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of keyword-rich, authoritative content on a website. Super important. You know, the sites that have the higher quality and the more content are the ones that are Google's choosing to rank higher. Their goal is to be able to serve up the most relevant results to searchers when they type into the search browser. So you can see that the only way that they can do that is the information that you're providing. So definitely room to add some content here to your homepage, and it's going to help you to be more visible to your customers. Now, I did the search how it was. The search that I used today was home renovations Vancouver. Just a quick go over how Google's going to set up their first page. People will run ads if they're not ranking, if their website isn't ranking to be seen on the first page. So that's why they'll do these ads, so they can show up there. So the ads are going to be at the top. This section here is called the Google My Business listing. This is I'll touch on the citations now. This is a citation. So anywhere on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed, that's a citation. So the more citations that you have helps to push you up in the rankings for this map section, because ultimately being one of the top 3, we call it the map pack, is a great place to be. Statistics show that probably about 80% of the clicks in the business are going to businesses that are showing up on the first page somewhere. And probably about 50% of those clicks are going to the top 3 businesses in this map section. And then down here, this is the organic section. And back to the directories, if your business isn't listed in places like the Yellow Pages and 411 and Foursquare, anywhere, as I said, that you would find your business name, address, and phone number, go ahead and grab any of those directories that you can get yourself in. Again, Google's out there crawling, and then it can see it. It shows Google that you're legit because you're all over the place when it goes out and does the crawls. So down here, this is the organic section, and the maps listings will sometimes fall in line. There is a correlation with the businesses that are ranking organically. Will also push you up through the map section as well. So this organic section, this ties in a lot with the 3rd thing that I'm going to hit on is the backlinks. So I took the #1 ranking company for this search term, Home Renovations Vancouver, this Kerr Construction, and I put them into the same tool that I put your business into so that you can see a comparison and you can help to understand why it is that they're sitting where they're sitting. So the tool that I've used is this tool called Ahrefs. It shows us what's going on behind the scenes. It shows us your backlink profile. Now, if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, what a backlink is, it's when another website on the internet links to yours. So that in the search engine's eyes is like a vote. So, like I say, when popularity contests, so you've got all these votes, you're the popular one. Now, not all links are created equal. It needs to be relevant, it needs to be coming from sites that Google trusts, that have authority. So in your case, this tool is showing me that you have 4 other websites on the internet that are linking back to you, providing you with 9 backlinks. You're being found for 8 words, and this is again where your content is very important and gives the information to Google for Google to know what it is you're doing and where it is that you're offering your service. Unfortunately, though, being that you're the work that you've done on the site here, nobody is finding. It's a few pages deep into the search, and people don't generally go that far. So we're going to show you what's going on with Kerr here. They have 222 other sites on the internet that are linking back to theirs, giving them about 850 backlinks, being found for just over 1,000, about 1,000 for keywords. And they were brought, due to this work that they've done, they had about 800, little over 800 visitors to their site on a monthly basis, unique visitors. So that's the power of the backlinking, to help to make your site more visible, and of course to bring in more business. Now, I am going to leave it there. Don't want to overwhelm you with the information. I'll process this video and email it off to you. I am going to follow up. I would love to have some feedback either way. I just want to know that I am actually adding some value to business owners here. So I look forward to finding out your thoughts. Talk to you soon.